At Rathkamp Financial, we provide wealth management services that may ease clients' fears of financial loss and help them retire comfortably. Our greatest satisfaction comes from working with clients for many years and helping them realize their dreams.
We are in Ross County on State Route 772. Specifically, this location is between Reinhardt Road and Bishop Hill Road for locals who are familiar with the area. This is a slide repair project. Drivers familiar with this stretch of 772 can tell you that the road has been in pretty rough shape for the last year or two as that slide has continued to show new movement, and this project is moving to make a permanent fix to that issue. For the last week or so, we've had a lot more rain in the forecast. That wet weather can slow down work. Fortunately, the contractor's been making good headway on this during the program 60-day closure of State Route 772, and we're getting close to the finish line. A little bit of slowdown thanks to the weather, but we're still moving forward. We do not anticipate the road being reopened in time for Thanksgiving. We're looking more realistically at early December. So crews are currently finishing up work on the drill shaft retaining wall. There's also some drainage improvements that are being done with this project, replacing some culverts that are underneath of the roadway. And then of course we still have to place temporary pavement for the winter season, as well as putting up guardrail striping. So with the amount of work left to be completed, we don't currently anticipate the road being open by Thanksgiving. This section of State Route 772 is going to be fully resurfaced next year, so the temporary pavement that we're placing to get the road reopened for the winter season will be getting paved over along with the rest of the route in the spring. Currently, we only have one other slide repair project active right now. That's all the way down on US 52 in Brown County. It seems that slides have become a more frequent occurrence on our roadways, and they are one of the more difficult challenges that we face in the department. They tend to require long road closures. These drilled shaft retaining walls are, they're sturdy, they get the job done, but it's a lot of time and material invested in building them. So they've been a challenge.